Lesson 8.5 is fractions of fractions. Our objective is to introduce finding a fraction of a fraction. So we're going to take a look at the math message on Math Journal page 259. We have some questions here. We have, what is 1/2 of 3? And for some of you that just might be something that you know. I'll teach you a little trick. This word of means to multiply. And so whenever you see of, a fraction of something, from now on you'll know that you need to multiply. So 3 as a fraction is really 3 over 1. And so if I'm going to multiply, when we multiply straight across. So 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. So I get 3/2, which is the same as 2 goes into 3 once. There's 1 left over. That's 1 1/2. Okay. We take a look at number 3. Looks like I only gave you the odd problems here. Same thing, 2 over 1 is the fraction for 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 1 is 4. I end up with an improper fraction, so 4 goes into 6 once, and there's 2/4 left over. Remember, we're simplifying, so I know that 2/4 is the same as half, so it's 1 1/2. Okay, so you can continue those. You can use the number line to help you if you need more of a visual to do that. But let's take a look at why or how that works on the next page. Okay, let's take a look at 1/2 of 1/2. So 1/2 of 1/2 is, so remember this is going to mean to multiply. If I take my paper and I cut it in half, let's say I color in this half. If I want 1/2 of 1/2, I'm going to cut this in half again. Okay, if I just want 1/2 of that, okay, and really I'm going to color in this whole half over here red. This square in my paper is shaded with both colors. Okay, so when I folded it and I've gotten 1/2 of my half, I've gotten 1 now out of these 4 pieces, these 4 squares. And so if you look, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so that's how it works. If we do that same thing here, we've got 2/3, we're going to color in 2 of the 3. 2/3 of 1/2. So I'm going to come over and cut this in half the other way, color in that 1/2. Okay, you notice I have 2 boxes now that are colored in with both colors. So that's my numerator. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 separate pieces. So 2, 6. If you look here, 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Remember, I'm going to simplify and divide the top and the bottom by 2 and get 1/3. Okay, so that's how that works. Remember, of means to multiply. And you're going to multiply straight across. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, and then simplify if you need to.